A boy born in Palo Alto, United States, later becomes an environmentalist, author, activist, and journalist. Some of his books are End of Nature, Deep Economy, Earth, and We Are Better Together. He is also a graduate of Harvard University. After Ronald Regan was elected as the president, he decided to commit his life for the environmental cause. He also leads 350.org by organizing thousands of demonstrations in many countries all over the world for his lifelong cause, that is environmental issues. He is also a lead campaigner against Keystone XL project and People's Climate March. He is also called the world's best green journalist. He has received many honors, awards, and recognition. Some of them are Gandhi Peace Award and Right Livelihood Award. By now, you may have guessed his name. He is none other than Bill McKibben. He once said, "What sets wilderness apart in the modern day is not that it's dangerous. It's almost certainly safer than any town or road, or that is solitary. You can, so they say, be alone in crowded room, or full of exotic animals. There are more at the zoo. Is that 5 miles out in the woods you can't buy anything." So he shows the importance of nature by saying that wilderness is not dangerous. In fact, it's full of life, full of richness, full of ecosystem. It depends how we see the ecosystem in nature. Bill is a real hero of the holistic ecosystem. Let's honor his contribution, get inspired from his work, and take action for our shared home, Mother Earth. If not us, who? If not now, when? Thank you for watching. I'll be sharing other inspirational stories. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.